Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store sign-in error. So let's get into it. Number 1. Clear Google Play Store cache. One of the reasons for this error could be the cache of the Play Store. So the easiest solution is to clear the cache. For this, go to Settings, tap Apps and Notifications, and scroll to All Apps section and find the Google Play Store app. Open the app and tap Storage and Cache. Hit Clear Cache button. Now try opening the Google Play Store again and see if the issue is fixed. Number 2. Remove your Google account and add it again. For this, go to Settings, tap Accounts, and remove your Google account and add it back. This method might be able to fix most of the errors. If none of the methods work for you, the last method would be to reset your device. Before you do the reset, make sure you take a backup of all the personal files and data. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.